Good afternoon, this is Jack from the ArtChart.net, and this is the intraday video for the afternoon of Friday the 9th of March. Our disclaimer, we do this for educational purposes only. We're here to share our technical analysis with you. We hope you can take some of what we're doing and learn from it, try to spare it to your own charts. We're not here to issue trading signals. Right, let's have a look at ES first. Right, ES has taken the blue pill and broke up at the open. We had a gap open, gap up. It didn't fill. I did mention last night in a webinar or something. But yeah, quite often when you get a close very close to resistance, it sets up a potential gap and go the next day, and we saw that. Now, I mentioned on the charts last night that if we were to see a test of this trend line today, and that's the established channel resistance on ES, then that would be in the 80s. Is that correct? Yes. I've currently got it at about 83. I'm expecting, I think that's a really obvious target for today. Chances are we're going to go and hit that target. So we shall see how that goes. But that's what I'm looking for here, really. We're not looking for this to... We're looking for a big trend day up today. The high could be made today. Equally, it could be a marginal high on Monday. But we're looking for a retest of this area and resistance in this area. NQ, we haven't got any negative divergence yet. We might not get any if it continues spiking straight up, but the chances are some divergence will have a chance to develop. NQ, very overbought short term. This trend line here, interestingly, was holding for a while. It's breaking over slightly at the moment. This could be an overthrow, or it could be it needs to go considerably higher to this trend line. This is a better fit. It's going to be a variant of this trend line we're going to form. Watching this carefully. No negative divergence at the moment, and we have made a new all-time high. This does not mean the others need to. Right, TF. TF, we are overthrowing this wedge resistance trend line slightly. I think we're pretty close to a high, really, and I'm not really expecting TF to go a lot higher. I like this wedge until we see some decent evidence to the contrary. I'm assuming that we're going to be making a high in this wedge. An overthrow of resistance is quite normal on a wedge when you're about to break down from it, which in this case would be our expectation in any case. Right, DAX.